Hey guys, I'm Tahir Khan, founder, creator, and CEO of RockitSeller, and this is a demo video on AdPilot, our advanced automated PPC ads optimization platform for Amazon sellers. Now, why do we need another PPC ads optimizer? Three reasons. Our system does inventory-aware PPC ads optimization, so closer you get to the reorder level, our system starts dropping bids, and eventually will stop uh, the campaign completely if you're out of stock. B, we classify each seller. Our system learns from the previous optimization our system has performed on their behalf and adapts to their style of optimization. And number three, we surface everything that our system does in our application, in the software, so there's no magic or guessing. So without further ado, let's get into and see what AdPilot is all about. You see, this is the landing page. Here are the features, getting started videos. Let's get into the meat of the application. I'll change the date range so we have some data to look at. So you'll see common metrics over here. And this is our AI-based campaign management platform where you can speak your questions about your ads account, and our system will attempt to answer all the questions that you have. I'm not going to speak, but you can unmute yourself and start talking, and it will listen and perform the actions requested. Here are some of the canned queries that you can run. For instance, show me campaigns with ROAS less than 2. And here you have these. Low ROAS campaigns detected, and then recommendations. Likewise, compare budget utilization across platforms. Here you go. Show ads with high ACOS. So here you can talk to our AI, and it will perform the actions that you request. Here are the recent AdPilot optimizations, so you have a running list of what the system is doing under the hood. These are the impact analysis before and after, and this is your performance overview. Different charts, so you can keep track of how your ads efforts are performing. Growth opportunities and AI insights. I realize I'm going quick because I'm trying to keep this demo under 10 minutes if possible. So smart insights here with recommendations, and here are the campaigns. Let's select a date range. So it will perform smart insights based on the date range and then extract those insights, actionable insights from the data. Here you have your campaigns, the performance, and we have tooltips on it that explain everything. Current score 65 out of 100, ACOS, ROAS, conversions, and it tells you exactly how we arrive at these numbers. Here you'll see your spend is rising, budget daily, and ROAS, conversions. You can start the campaign or pause the campaign. You can enable auto optimization, which I suggest you really do for any campaign that you want our system to automatically optimize. Here you can edit the campaign, start date, you can specify an end date, campaign information, update the budget. Let's go into optimization. So this is where we surface all the optimization that the system has performed for you. On October 4th, this optimization was performed, and the details on exactly what the system does, what the system did, so you don't have to guess. These are the settings and templates. Conservative, there's only one template because we start off everyone with a conservative template, and the system learns and then um, brackets you or classifies you automatically. And this is how each of, like for bid management, performance thresholds, inventory management, the values that the system uses, you can override them. We suggest you don't. And then optimization overview, last run 87 days ago. These are the analytics. Again, let's select the date range. Here you have the analytics for your campaigns. Performance trends. Let me hide this. Sales, clicks, impressions, ACOS percent, ROAS. So everything that you would like to see about your campaign is right at your fingertips. Keywords, how many keywords you have, how are they performing, and so on. That takes about a few seconds to load because it's pulling a ton of data from the backend. So you have total keywords, active keywords, total span, high performance. This is a keyword performance, excellent keyword performance, targeting expression, spend, sales, ACOS, and actions. You can view details of this keyword, financial metrics, performance insights, bid quality. Oh, we forgot. Well, we'll go back to listings. Then here are your products, performance, how many units you have, spend, sales, ACOS, actions. It gives you everything that you need, your ACOS percent, your sales, your spend, insights and recommendations. You can view the product on Amazon. Insights. So trend analysis, anomaly detection. Our system automatically detects anomalous behavior, too much high spend or too little spend. Confidence level, spike detected and the date it was detected. 7-day forecast, rolling forecast. Additional insights, performance trend is decreasing with weak strength. Forecast accuracy using exponential smoothing method. And next forecast is $802.73. Let's look at listings, which I for some reason skipped. Here are your listings. Your 30-day revenue, ad performance is poor. Here are the ads ready and LQS listing quality score metrics. So this mirror tells you why we score it at 38 and why listing quality score is 53. You can view the details on it. And if you would like, if you're subscribed to ListPilot, our system will automatically do the optimization for your listing. So everything is integrated. We went over optimization, went over analytics, and the next thing is targeting. This is where it gets interesting. So you have keyword research. You can perform keyword research. Competition is high. Suggested bid, opportunity score, and how do we come up with the opportunity score? How it is calculated based on search volume, competition level, and relevance score. You can add the keyword if you would like. Our system automatically does keyword management for you. It researches under the hood what keywords are working. It automatically mines and moves high-performing keywords from your auto campaigns to manual campaigns and marks those keywords in automatic campaign as negative exact, so that our data mining is effective. Negative keywords. Here you will see every negative keyword that the system has added on your behalf. You can add negative keywords if you would like. Search terms. See that these are the search terms and how they are performing. Performance is not very good here, whereas some of the search terms are performing well. And it also suggests recommends what to do: monitor or optimize bid, or stop bidding on that key, on those search terms. You have competitor targeting. It looks at all the competitors on, and then it finds the search volume, the click share, the opportunity, and the terms that you share between the competitors. View details, average rating, bestseller rank, market share expansion, performance score, and these are your recommendations. And and all the competitor intelligence comes from the product opportunity explorer data that we mine on your behalf. So this is in a nutshell what AdPilot is a very advanced automated ads optimization platform. I'll talk through some of the nuances that may be different from the competition. Our system performs daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, quarterly, and half-yearly optimizations. It automatically increases the budget for high traffic seasons like Black Friday, Christmas, or Thanksgiving, or any other special holidays that are coming through. And it does it 60 days in advance for you. It does day parting under the hood. It manages your automatic campaign and manual campaigns, and finds high performing keywords, moves them to the manual campaign. It does inventory aware optimization and seller classification level optimization. And the entire goal of AdPilot is to maximize profit, increase your ROAS, and decrease your ACOS. With that, I'll conclude the demo. Hope you liked and enjoyed it and got to understand what the capabilities are of AdPilot. Thank you for watching.